Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Bootstrap tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how to use modals in Bootstrap. So first of all, what is a modal? Modal is just like a pop-up box or a pop-up window on top of your web page. Okay, so it will appear on top of your web page for showing something, for example for showing some login form or for showing some contact information or anything. So let's see how we can create a modal in Bootstrap. So first of all, go to your HTML code, and in here first of all we will create a button which we will use to open a modal. So just create a button, and in this button this will be first of all type is equal to button, and then the class will be equal to btn, and let's say it's a danger button. Okay, and then we will add some more attributes to it. First is data toggle. So data toggle, and this will be equal to modal. Okay, so just write modal here, and the second attribute we are going to add here is data target, and this will be equal to the name which you will set to reference the modal. So you can just write a hash and define any name of your choice, for example my modal or any other name. Okay, so now using this ID we are going to create or call a modal. Okay, so now we are going to create an actual body of modal. So just add a div tag here and add this ID. So we will reference this ID here first of all, which is my modal. Okay, so just give it here. The second thing is we will call a class called modal fade. So modal minus fade. I think this will be only modal fade, this kind. And we will define one more attribute here which will be role, and it's a dialog. Okay, now inside this div tag we will add one more div tag like this. So div, and we will add a class called class is equal to modal dialog. So modal dialog, this. Okay, now inside this modal dialog we will add the content of the modal. Okay, so just add one more div element, div, and this time this will be the modal content. So add a class called modal minus content. Okay, and inside the content it will work like normal body of HTML page. You can say it has a header and the body and the footer. So we will add three more divs here. First of all, div for the modal header. So modal, first of all class is equal to modal minus header, and this will contain the header of the modal. In the same way we will add two more div. Second is the modal body, and third is the modal footer. Okay, so this is our basic modal. You can write something here, something like modal header, and here you can write modal body, and here you can write modal footer. Okay, and save it, and we will refresh our page and we will see this button, and when you click this button, it's going to show this modal. This button we haven't included anything as a text, so let's add some text to it. So this button is open modal. Okay, save it. Once again we are going to refresh our page and just click open modal, and it's going to open this kind of pop-up box which has header and the body and the footer. But you will notice here that there is nothing to close this modal. Okay, so there should be some X symbol or some close button to close this modal. So to add this close symbol or button, what we can do here is, in the footer for example, we want to add this close button. So what we are going to do here, inside the footer we are going to create this button, and inside this, first of all, we will add this type which will be button. Second, we will add a class which will be btn, and for closing let's add btn default, for example, btn default. Okay, and then we will add one more attribute which will be data dismiss. So add this class data minus dismiss, and this will be not with double s, it will be single s, and then just write modal here. Okay, and as a text you can write here close, and save it and refresh your web page and click open modal, and now we have close button which we press and it's closed. In the same way you can add this X symbol to the header. So just go and copy this button here, and inside the modal header we have this modal header here, and just after this we can add this button, but this time it will be of class close. So just add close, and the text here will be our X symbol. So it's something like and times, like this. Okay, save it and refresh your page and open modal, and you see here this X symbol which you click and it will be disappeared. Okay, now one more thing you can add to the header, which is for example this div tag. You can add div, and here you can add a class called modal minus title, and in here you can add your title in any tag, for example h1 tag or any other tag. You can add it. Okay, so save it and refresh your page, and once again open modal. It will be like this, but we can see this X symbol is down and this is little bit above. To adjust this, we can just place this div at the bottom, and instead of using this div you can use h4 tag or h3 tag, something like this. Save it and once again refresh this web page, and now you can see this header which is a title, and this closing button and the body. In the body you can add any div, any HTML tag. For example, you want to add a paragraph, you can just add something like this, add a paragraph, and inside this paragraph you can add some text, for example this lorem ipsum, something like this. Save it and close this and refresh it, open modal, and now your text is here. Okay, so in this way you can use modal. One more thing, if you want to use this modal with, for example, about this about navigation bar button, you can do it also. So for example, what we want to do is, with this about button, we want to open this modal. So what we can do, instead of using this button, just copy this data toggle and data target from here and place it in the about list item here. So just add it here in the link tag. Okay, now I'm going to delete this button because we are not going to use it now. Save it and refresh your page, and now when you click this about button, you will see this modal. Okay, and you can close it. So you can call it from here or using any button. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.